In this video, I'll guide you through how to take control in a Webex meeting. Whether you're hosting a meeting for the first time or just looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will cover all the essential steps to ensure you manage your meeting effectively. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to web.webex.com. This is your gateway to all Webex functionalities, so make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, just follow the usual sign-in prompts. Once you're on the WebEx homepage, search for the Meetings tab. You'll find it conveniently located in the menu. Click on it. This will take you to a page where you can view all your scheduled meetings or start a new one. Next up, you'll see an option to start your meeting. A simple click here will initiate the process. If you're hosting an impromptu session, look for the Start a Meeting button and click on that. Doing so will launch the Webex meeting interface, where you'll have access to various controls and settings. Once your meeting is underway, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll notice three dots. These are your gateway to additional meeting options. Clicking on these dots will offer you a drop-down menu with several choices. One of the key features you can use here is the ability to lock your meeting. By locking the meeting, you secure your session from unexpected attendees, ensuring that only those with an invitation can join. Now, let's talk about managing participants. On the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find an option to open the participant panel. Clicking it will bring up a list of everyone in your meeting. This feature is crucial for keeping an eye on who's present and for managing your audience effectively. Within the participant panel, you have the power to mute or unmute all participants. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with a large group and need to manage background noise. It's a great way to ensure that everyone can hear the speaker clearly without interruptions. Just remember that muting all participants doesn't mean they're silenced indefinitely. You can also allow attendees to unmute themselves when they need to speak. This feature offers flexibility, letting participants contribute without constantly needing your permission. By following these steps, you'll have a smooth and well-controlled WebEx meeting. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to host a few trial sessions to get comfortable with the interface and controls. With these tools at your disposal, you're all set to host productive, efficient meetings every time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps. Happy hosting!